What is quantum tunneling? What if a particle could pass straight through a wall, not by breaking it, not by going around it, but by simply appearing on the other side? In the strange world of quantum physics, this is not science fiction. It's called quantum tunneling, and it's one of the most fascinating phenomena in modern science. In classical physics, an object needs enough energy to overcome a barrier. A ball must be thrown hard enough to get over a hill. If it doesn't have enough energy, it rolls back down. Simple. But at the quantum scale, the realm of electrons, protons, and atoms, nature follows very different rules. Quantum tunneling happens because particles don't behave like solid objects. Instead, they act like waves of probability. This means a particle doesn't have a single, fixed position. There is always a small chance it can be found in places that classical physics says are impossible. When a quantum particle encounters a barrier, such as an energy wall, it doesn't always stop. Even if it lacks the energy to cross it, there is a probability, sometimes tiny, sometimes significant, that the particle will tunnel through the barrier and appear on the other side. This isn't just a theory. Quantum tunneling is real, measurable, and essential to the universe as we know it. Without it, the sun wouldn't shine. Nuclear fusion inside stars relies on quantum tunneling to allow atomic nuclei to get close enough to fuse and release energy. Quantum tunneling is also the reason modern technology works. It plays a critical role in semiconductors, transistors, flash memory, and scanning tunneling microscopes, which can image individual atoms. Even the tiny leakage currents in computer chips are caused by tunneling effects. The probability of tunneling depends on factors like the particle's mass and the thickness of the barrier. Lighter particles, like electrons, tunnel more easily. Larger objects don't, which is why you won't walk through walls anytime soon. Quantum tunneling reminds us that reality at its deepest level is not intuitive. The universe doesn't always follow common sense. It follows probability. And sometimes, the impossible simply happens.